Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we come back with this question: 48 divided by 6, open the bracket, 2 plus 2 close the bracket is how much? So by the way, this is a controversial one. Don't answer too quickly, so because it's a controversial math operation. You may solve it 48 divided by 6 and 2 plus. So answer under the standard left to right convention, but this notation is ambiguous to many readers. If you mean 48 6 into 2 plus 2 so let's solve it. So in order to solve such kind of maths operation, we have to follow the rule of maths operation PEMDAS. So P stands for the exponent, I mean the parenthesis or the expression inside the bracket is the exponent, and the multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So in order to solve such kind of a maths operation, we multiplication and division have the same priorities, but we have to work it from left to right, and the same is true for addition and subtraction. So here we have inside the bracket 2 plus 2 48, and here we have a division, don't forget it. So 48 divided by 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4, so 6 into 4, 6 into 4. So this one is 24, yeah, 24. So 48 divided by 24, which is equal to 2. So you may get the answer 2. So if you mean 48 divided by 6 times 2 plus 2 is, we will get the answers that's different from 2. So let's solve based on this expression. So here we have addition, you have a division. So the answer is 32. Yeah, you can solve by yourself. We get 32. So in professional mathematics, use a parenthesis or a fraction bar to make your intention clear. So this is an ambiguous question. How to solve this question, whether in this form or in this form. This is your decision. Let me know your decision and with the answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.